The theme for version 10.0 of Bitrix Intranet is collaboration energy. Every factor that makes the working environment more efficient does so because it releases potential energy that already exists but needs the right conditions to be activated. Version 10 activates this energy with several fundamental changes in the product, some built on previous functionality and some forging out into new territory. Firstly, a time management tool has been introduced. Clocking in using the working day gadget is the first business item of the day. The tasks for the day can be entered quickly in this gadget, either by hand or by taking them from the user's current task list. The events of the day are also listed and coordinated with the absence chart. A daily report tab can be filled in throughout the day. All of the information listed here is collected and viewable in the working time summary. The working time summary is a tabulation of the days, hours, and non-standard days for the given period. In this screen, a supervisor is viewing his own report and those of two subordinates. The details of each day can be viewed. The caution sign indicates that a clock in or clock out time needs to be confirmed by the supervisor. Task Management 2.0 introduces a new dimension in tasks. It's much more interactive. Let's start by looking at a task page in a personal profile. Here we can display all the tasks in which the user plays a role and filter the tasks using either role or status or both. Task operations can be initiated from this task list, and the operations that are allowed depend on the user's role in the task. When creating a new task, the task is named, a responsible person is assigned, and at this stage the task can be duplicated to several different people. Participants, a description, files, the deadline, and other settings are entered, and the task is launched. Additional settings include observers and the repetition of the task. Notification of the task is sent to all persons involved. The efficiency report gives a summary of tasks for employees, departments, or the whole company. Each employee can see his or her own statistics and those for their department. Readily visible in the report are current tasks and tasks completed in the given period, with evaluation and efficiency ratings. Each user and work group now has a microblog tool. Here, I'm going to write my very first microblog, save it, and immediately it becomes visible to other users in another new feature in version 10.0, the live feed. This feature shows all the updates made in the intranet and respects access permissions as well. Each user may personalize the live feed by choosing what type of updates are displayed in it. Moving on, a CRM that covers the full process from lead and contact development to formation of a sales funnel is now included in Bitrix Intranet BizSpace. Let's look at company records as a good example of how the CRM works. Each company has events, contacts, and deals which are associated with it. Choosing View, we get convenient tabs with all of the pertinent information about the company. Note that field names, statuses, and nearly everything else that you see here and in other parts of the CRM can be fine-tuned or modified to meet the exact needs of your company. Greater integration with Microsoft includes importing of SharePoint lists, a connector with MS Exchange Server, Exchange Webmail, and increased integration with Active Directory and Office. The other major expansion on the integration front is support for CardDAV and CalDAV. This means that now there's two-way integration with Google and Apple calendars and contact integration as well. Version 10.0 brings with it a new addition specifically for intranets of large organizations. In this version, called BizSpace Enterprise, multiple intranets may be developed among various divisions or departments of a company. Further, with the Web Cluster module, a very high level of availability and performance can be achieved and maintained. This video has only covered the surface of the new developments in version 10.0. Look for additional videos and information on our website concerning mobile apps, better document sharing and management, and more details of the features discussed here.